Welcome students, myself Professor Vikrant Palatsha. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Professor Vikrant Palatsha's Education Hub. In this video, we are going to study about the MCQ question of the Advanced Accounting subject TY BCom Unit number 1 Accounting Standards and IFRS. Question number 1. Accounting standards in India are issued by the dash dash. Option A ICAI, option B BMCC, option C IT, and option number D IMA. The correct answer from these four options it is option number A ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Question number 2. The important objective of accounting standards is to the dash dash diverse accounting policies and practices at present in use in India. Option number A harmonize, option number B incomplete, option number C complex, and option number D compact. The correct answer from these four options it is option number A harmonize. The accounting standards are designed to harmonize the diverse accounting policies. Therefore, the correct option is harmonize, that is option number A. Next question, question number 3. Accounting Standard 7 deals with accounting for construction contracts in financial statements of dash dash. Option number A contractors, option number B accountants, option number C agents, and option number D dealers. The correct answer that is option number A contractors. So the AS7 means accounting standard 7 that belongs to the construction contract, and under that the financial statements are prepared for the contractors. Next question, question number 4. What does accounting standard 15 stands for? Option number A accounting for government grants, option number B employee benefits, option number C segment reporting, and option number D leases. From these four options, the correct answer is option number B employee benefits. Accounting standard number 15 that belongs to the employee benefits. Therefore, the correct option that is option number B. Next question, question number 5. Accounting standard 26 deals with the treatment of cost of dash dash in financial statement. Option number A research and development, option number B construction contract, option number C assets, and option number D risk and rewards. The correct answer from these four options that is option number A research and development. So accounting standard number 26 that particularly belongs to the research and development expenditures. Therefore, the correct option for this question it is option number A. Next question, question number 6. Accounting standard 20 deals with presentation and computation of dash dash. Option number A earnings per share, option number B profit sharing ratio, option number C rate of interest, and option number D solvency. The correct answer it is option number A earning per share. So the earning per share capacity that is measured according to the accounting standard number 20, and therefore the correct option for this question it is option number A. Next question, question number 7. Accounting standard 19 stands for dash dash. Option number A research and development, option number B employee benefits, option number C construction contracts, and option number D accounting for leases. The correct answer for this question it is option number D accounting for leases. Accounting standard 19 that belongs to the leases, under that financial and operating leases accounts are maintained. Therefore, the correct option that is option number D. Next question, question number 8. Dash dash is applicable for government grants. Option number A accounting standard number 10, then option number B accounting standard number 11, option number C accounting standard number 12, and option number D accounting standard number 13. The correct answer for this question it is that is Option number C, accounting standard number 12. Next question, question number 9. In financial lease, as per accounting standard number 19, leased assets is shown in the balance sheet of option number A, lessee, option number B, lessor, option number C, buyer, and option number D, seller. The correct option answer for this question, it is option number A, lessee. These leased assets are shown in the balance sheet of lessee, who is the owner of the asset according to the accounting standard number 19. Therefore, the correct option, it is option number A, lessee. Next one, question 10. As per accounting standard number 28, impairment of asset means dash dash in the value of asset. Option number A, increase, option number B, decrease, option number C, fixed, and option number D, variable. The correct answer, it is option number B, decrease. Impairment of asset means what? Decrease in the value of asset as per the accounting standard number 28. Therefore, the correct answer, it is option number A. Next one, question number 11. As per accounting standard number 19, dash dash lease, risk and reward is not transferred to the lessee. Option number A, non-operating, option number B, operating, option number C, manageable, and option number D, refundable. The correct option for this question, it is option number B, operating. Under the operating lease, risk and reward does not transfer to the lessee as per the accounting standard number 90, and therefore correct option, it is option number B. Next, question number 12, accounting standard number 10 deals with option number A, revenue recognition, option number B, accounting of fixed assets, option number C, accounting for government grants, and option number D, accounting of investment. The correct answer, it is option number B, accounting of fixed assets. All the accounting of fixed asset that is done as per the accounting standard number 10. Therefore, the correct answer, it is option number B. Next, question number 13. Accounting standard dash dash also focuses on profit sharing and bonus plan. Option number A, accounting standard number 15. Option number B, accounting standard number 21. Option number C, accounting standard number 28. And option number D, accounting standard number 7. So the correct answer, it is accounting standard number 15, that belongs to the investment and that also focuses on profit sharing and bonus plan. Therefore, the correct option, it is option number A. Next one, question number 14. Accounting standard number 17, segment reporting applies to those companies which have an annual turnover of rupees dash dash crores or more. Option number A, 50 crore, option number B, 80 crore, option number C, 21 crore, option number D, 20 crore. The correct answer, it is option number A, 50 crore. The companies, those have the annual turnover 50 crore or more than that, segment reporting is applicable for them as per the accounting standard number 17. Therefore, the correct option, it is option number A, 50 crore. Next, question number 15. Consolidated financial statements are prepared according to option number A, accounting standard number 19, option number B, accounting standard number 20, option number C, accounting standard number 21, and option number D, accounting standard number 22. The correct answer, it is accounting standard number 21, option C. The next question, number 16. Accounting standard 18 stands for dash dash. Option number A, accounting for amalgamation. Option number B, borrowing costs. Option number C, segment reporting. And option number D, related party disclosures. The correct answer for this question, it is option number D, related party disclosures. Accounting standard number 18, that belongs to the related party disclosures. Next question, question number 17. A parent company should account for the investment in subsidiaries in accordance with dash dash. Option number A, accounting standard 10. Option number B, accounting standard 11. Option number C, accounting standard 12. And option number D, accounting standard 13. The correct answer for this question, it is option number D, accounting standard number 30. Next question, question number 18. Dash dash reporting helps users of financial statements to better assess the risk and returns of the enterprise. Option number A, segment. Option number B, account. Option number C, statement. And option number D, management. The correct answer for this question, it is option number A, segment. Segment reporting that helps organization to assess risk and returns regarding the financial statements. Therefore, the correct option, it is option number A, segment. Next question, question number 19. Accounting standard 3 stands for dash dash. Option number A, valuation of inventories. Option number B, depreciation accounting. Option number C, cash flow statements. And option number D, accounting for fixed assets. The correct answer for this question, it is option number C, cash flow statements. According to the accounting standard number 3, cash flow statements are prepared which shows the flow of the cash and outsource of the cash. Therefore, the correct answer of the question number 19, it is option number C, cash flow statement. And the question number 20, contingencies and events occurring after balance sheet date recorded as per dash dash. Option number A, accounting standard number 1. Option number B, accounting standard number 2. Option number C, accounting standard number 3. And option number 4, accounting standard number 4, that is option D. So, the correct answer of this question, it is option number D, accounting standard number 4. Contingencies and events occurring after balance sheet date, all these are recorded as per the accounting standard number 4. Therefore, the correct answer of this question, it is accounting standard number 4. I hope all you have understood all these MCQ, its option as well as its correct answers belongs to the Advanced Accounting TY BCom unit number 1. I also request you, for such videos, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Professor Vikrant Panadshah's Education Hub, as well as click on the notification button to get the timely notifications regarding the new videos uploaded by me on my YouTube.